Good day everyone. Now we are gonna discuss about the Guardia Civil's report on the cry of Balintawak. Captain Olegario Diaz report provides a Spanish military perspective on the early days of the Philippine Revolution. His account places the first major revolutionary gathering. Kilala ito bilang Cry of the Revolution o Sigaw ng Revolusyon. According to Diaz, the first happened at Balintawak on August 25, 1896. Matapos madiskubre ang katipunan, tumakas si Bonifacio at ang kanyang mga kasamahan patungong Caloocan. Noong August 23, 1896, lumipat sila sa baryo ng Balintawak kasama ang humigit kumulang 200 katao mula sa Caloocan. Pagdating ng August 24, inatake sila ng mga sundalong Guardia Civil sa labas ng bayan, kaya sila ay umatras at nagtago. Diaz described how Andres Bonifacio, the leader of the Katipunan, and his men fled after their secret movement was discovered, gathered in Balintawak and then faced Spanish forces. Ayon sa kanya, dito nagsimula ang hayagang paglaban ng mga Pilipino laban sa pamahalaang Espanyol.